Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see how it looks, and the drawing is here with all dimensions. We start with the frame. Dimensions are radius 400, thickness of 15, this dimension of 320, and we extend it with this face of 410. Let's do this. New standard millimeters IPT, X-way plane for a new sketch. We use arc with center point. This is that arc, then line vertical, horizontal, back to arc, and we make coincident these two. Then we place the radius of 400, my friends. Offset of 15. Then a rectangle with this center in the center point, collinear with 15, and with a length of 410. This necessary dimension is 320. Fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, and you see 75 is here. Okay, extrude both this and this symmetrical on 75. Then we take care that this 410 has another width 85, not 75. Take a look what I do here. I double click this and I have 75, as you know. Then I apply plus because I want to create another extrude from this one. I select only this area and I place the dimension of 85. You like this? Yes, I do, sir. This is radius 10 and this is radius 5. We apply them to not forget. This is 10. All the four corners. You see through the part. Plus this face of 5. This contour with the edges. Okay. Next is this rib. You see it goes to the on the end of this arc. Yes, the other end is at the end of that arc of 400. No dimensions. We use this XY plane again. F7, we project this line and this point to draw a line from this point to the point. I hope it is okay. Yes, okay. Then we draw a line between the 2 points. F7, we apply extrude on 15 symmetrical. Okay. Mirror, last feature, this plane, and we'll have the other rib. Good. Another feature is this bottom volume. Dimensions are mostly here, but we also keep our attention on 270 and 30. This is 45 and this is 30. Yes, we'll draw every entity from there. We use this plane, F7, and we project all these lines, arcs. This must be construction because we'll use only for drawing an axis as a construction. Then that lies horizontal, sloped, press the left button and go here. Then horizontal, then again press the left button, perpendicular here, and also up as you see here. Good. We have to place this point aligned with this line, and also this with the line. It is already placed, but this is not. Yes, they are 5 millimeters. All the radius here is 5. Everything was changed because the difference between 8 and 5, and this is a homothetic construction with this center of homothety. You see, everything goes to this point when you change the dimension. Control Z, you see this, and I place a dimension here, 60. You'll see that this will be enlarged, not lower. If I apply 60, of course, you see, now 5 here, then equal this with this and this with this. We apply mirror of all these entities about this vertical axis. We connect this point with this point, and we have other dimensions. This is 60. The distance between the centers of these two is 200. This is 270, as you know, and this is 14. This is 30. We have a fully constrained sketch. Yes. Oh, but this is this on the same horizontal? Yes, it is. Let's verify. I draw a line between them and I take a look on the constraint. You see, this is horizontal. Control Z. We don't need that line, of course. Finish, extrude to this face. Okay. Now we focus on this cuts. We have dimensions here. You see, this is 15. This is also 15. 40 is the position of this. 54 is the length, and radius 5 all over as fillets. Let's do this. We use the plane XY for this new sketch, F7, and we project this line and this line. Then we draw that lines up. I'll place fillets after I finish this construction. Good. Dimensions are, this is half of 15. 15 divided by 2. This is also 15. This is 40 from this face. And then I move this line to the right. Also this, and we apply coincidence on vertical between these two points. This is 54. We project this vertical to apply alignment between these two. Then I have fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch. What is the thickness of extrusion? 50. Extrude, symmetrical on 50, but with cut. Okay. You see here everything. Now I place radius 5 on fillets for all these end lines. Okay. Then mirror of the last 1, 2 features about this plane. Okay. Now you see the other cuts. You see that there are some channels here symmetrical about this plane, and they are symmetrical about this and about this. Dimensions are 50, 30, 15, no, 50 is not, it was used, 30, 15, 15 and 13, placed on both centers. We create a new plane based on this face and containing this midpoint. Yes. Then we use it F7 for that construction. I project this line only and I draw lines. Reverted T is here. I also draw these lines. This line. Okay. On the same vertical are this midpoint with this center point. Also this with this. Dimensions, as I said, 15, the eternal 15. This is 30. This is only 13, and this is again and final 15. Fully constrained sketch. Here is the length 30. Yes, we extrude that feature, that area symmetrical with cut on 30. Okay, I hide the plane and I mirror the last feature about this plane. It appears here. Yes. Good. Now some fillets. All of them have the same dimension, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then plus 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Let's verify what is the volume. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and let's see what is the new volume. Oh, it is just the same, my friends. Cancel. I keep the previous value. Good. The material is steel carbon. No, steel cast. The general aspect is steel cast, and we apply selection for some faces to be machined, which means still polished. We hide the edges, shaded, not shaded with edge. Then we change the lights. Now we can compare the two and you don't see any difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.